lastly for today, I'm going to be applying this marine RV fiberglass restoration system from MEGUIARS to try to bring the dullness out of like the hood and the fenders. Basically, you put the oxidation remover on, number 49, first, and then you use, after you get that off, use the high gloss polish, and then after taking that off, you use the pure wax. And I saw online that everybody seemed to like it. It has good ratings, and somebody had a picture. They did half of their RV. I'm going to do half the hood, and so hopefully we can have a comparison. So the directions say shake well for the oxidation remover, put it on, rub it in until about dry, and then wipe it off. So we'll do this half over here. Alright, and then it says to wipe it off. I'm going to repeat this process twice. Alright, and wipe it off again. Next we're going to apply the high gloss polish. Do a section at a time, don't let it dry. So a little bit of area at a time. Alright, I'm going to take that off. Alright, take this off. Alright, now I'm going to do the side of the hood. And for the last part of this product, it's the pure wax. And shake it well, and go ahead and put it on in sections, let it dry to a haze, and then wipe it off with the microfiber cloth. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then polish that off with the microfiber towel. Alright, and now I'm going to do the side of the hood. Shine it up pretty nice. Definitely shined it up pretty nice. It looks a lot better than the other side. You can see the dullness on this side that I didn't do, and this side is pretty shiny. I mean, I can't bring it back to brand new because it's been beat, but it looks 100 times better. Side's like super shiny, like a glass finish. You can see me. I like it. It's $30 for the kit. You can do a boat, RV, four-wheeler, anything with plastics or fiberglass. It'll restore the finish. I think it did a heck of a job. I just did this side of the tractor and this side of the hood. I got to do the other side and the back fenders. But definitely impressed. See up here if you can. Yeah, I like it. Pretty nice. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope it helps you.